Let's start off by taking a look at the current temperatures out there right now. Again, plenty of sunshine today. We are at 83 degrees right now. Very dry, just 7% humidity, but that's pretty typical for this time of year. That's the result of a big high pressure dome that's kept things very warm as well. You can see 90 degrees was our high temperature in Phoenix today. Nobody else quite as warm as us, but we did get up to 83 in Las Vegas and 79 in Los Angeles. We've got quite the active weather pattern out there today for a change. As you can see by our radar picture here, quite a few scattered showers popping up late this morning. They've continued mostly in the high country throughout the afternoon. Currently right now we're at 70 degrees. Humidity is 56%, so there's still plenty of moisture out there. Winds are sustained out of the east at 9 miles per hour. A few gusts higher, just a little bit of rainfall here in downtown Phoenix so far. Your forecast for the D-backs game tonight, still a little bit of breezy conditions. Otherwise though, it's going to be a great night. 75 degrees, partly cloudy. Perfect night to get out there and enjoy the ball game. Tomorrow though, things are going to start to get a little bit more interesting. Let's start off by taking a look at the current temperatures out there right now. Again, plenty of sunshine today. We are at 83 degrees right now. Very dry, just 7% humidity, but that's pretty typical for this time of year. Winds are light out of the east at 6 miles per hour. Our high this afternoon was 85 degrees, much more closer to average than we were last week when highs were 10 to 15 degrees above average. As you can see, the average for this time of year, right in the mid 80s, so we were statistically right there today. Taking a look at those temperatures statewide right now, 85 down there in Yuma. We're at 81 up in Bullhead City. Up north, it's a little bit cooler, 61 at the Grand Canyon and 57 here in Flagstaff. Again, 83 here in Phoenix. Taking a look at the radar picture right now, we've got just a few high clouds moving in, especially across the northwestern part of the state, up over here towards Bullhead City. For the most part, though, we are clear as another system of high pressure is building in. Wind speeds are pretty light with that high pressure naturally. 6 miles per hour again here in Phoenix, a little bit breezier up north, 10 miles per hour in Flagstaff, 9 miles per hour up there at the Grand Canyon. Taking a look at the forecast for the D-backs tonight, baseball season is underway, expecting just 81 degrees for game time with partly cloudy skies, so a perfect forecast. Overall tonight we'll get down to 58, just a few clouds lingering, and your 5-day forecast shows that it's going to be pretty nice and mostly sunny through the weekend, maybe just a few clouds on Sunday, and that'll be our coolest day as well. 83 degrees. As we head into Monday and Tuesday, though, those temperatures pushing up back towards 90. For your Cronkite weather, I'm Jason Hommes. Well, the weather is certainly starting off great this weekend. Right now we're at 84 degrees here in Phoenix. Light winds out of the west-northwest at 7 miles per hour. Plenty of sunshine out there as well. We did get up to a high of 87 degrees today, which is still a little bit warmer than the average high for this time of year. Still is just 82 degrees. And we take a look at those temperatures statewide. You can still see plenty of warm air across the south. Again, 84 here in Phoenix, also 84 in Tucson. Over here in Yuma, we're at 86. We did have a bit of a weather system move through the northern part of the state yesterday. Much cooler conditions up there today with some windy conditions yesterday. 51 in Flagstaff, just 16 Winslow. Taking a look at those current wind speeds out there right now, you can see it's still a little bit breezy over here in Bullhead City, 24 miles per hour. Most of the rest of us, though, not too bad, just 8 miles per hour in Flagstaff, 7 miles per hour in Phoenix, and also in Tucson. If we take a look at the radar picture out there right now, we have another big ridge of high pressure building in. Not a lot to look at here, just a few clouds skirting through the southeastern part of the state. Everywhere else, we're mostly dry and sunny. Tonight, we're going to expect those clear conditions to persist with 58 for the low. As we head into the 5-day forecast, again, a very nice warm weekend with temperatures near 90 and plenty of sunshine. As we head into next week, though, a little bit cooler with those temperatures dropping into the 80s and even by Wednesday down to about 76 for the high. For your Cronkite weather, I'm Jason Hommes. Some really nice conditions out there right now. It's been a really refreshing Friday. Current temperature is 79 degrees. You can see the air is pretty dry, just 11% humidity. We do have winds out of the north at 7 miles per hour. They have been gusting a little bit breezier at times this afternoon, 15 to 20 miles per hour at times. You can see the high this afternoon was 80 degrees, a little bit below average for this time of year, which is actually pushing up into the mid-80s. Which is quite the contrast from where we were last week when we were well above average. You can see the radar picture right now across the region. We had a big system come through the area about midweek. No rainfall here in the Phoenix area, but you can see there's plenty of rain off to the east and even some snow up here in parts of Colorado, as well as a little bit of rain and snow in northern Arizona here. Temperatures have been much cooler again for the week. Right now, 79 here in Phoenix, 77 in Vegas, and 69 in El Paso. Taking a look a little bit closer to home here. You can see down there in Yuma we're warmer than everybody else. It's pretty typical for you guys down there. 85 degrees, much cooler up north, just 44 at the Grand Canyon and 46 at Flagstaff. Over in Prescott we're at 60. Taking a look at the forecast for tonight, expecting clear skies, just a passing cloud here or there, low down to 58, so you might need to grab a jacket. It's going to be a little bit chilly overnight. As we head into that 5-day forecast, those warmer temperatures are going to be on the way right away, starting with tomorrow's high temperature of 89. We'll be in the low 90s Sunday and Monday with plenty of sunshine. Wednesday, maybe a little bit cooler again with those highs in the low 80s and some clouds, maybe a slight chance for rain as well. For your Cronkite weather, I'm Jason Hommes.